When a blizzard hits or extreme weather knocks out the power, most people realize very quickly how much they rely on electricity. No lights, no phone battery, no heat support, no way to stay connected. And that's exactly why having a reliable portable power station is one of the smartest emergency prep tools that you can ever own. Today, I want to walk you through how I'd use the VTOMAN Jump 1500 portable power station during a snowstorm, blackout, or even a hurricane season. Let's imagine the power just went out during a blizzard. Snow is heavy outside, roads aren't safe, and you might be without electricity for hours or even days. This is where something like this becomes a lifesaver. Inside, it has a large 828 watt-hour battery, which basically means it stores a lot of power to keep your essential devices running during emergencies. Phones, laptops, lights, medical devices, small appliances. It's designed to keep you comfortable and connected when the grid goes down. Now let's talk about the ports, because this is where this power station really shines. You've got multiple AC wall outlets, just like the ones in your house, so you can plug in things like lamps, TVs, fans, small heaters, or even a mini fridge. You've also got USB ports, including fast charging USB Type-C, perfect for phones, tablets, cameras, and laptops. There's also a 12-volt car outlet, which is great for car accessories, coolers, or emergency inflators. Everything you normally plug into a wall, you can plug into this. Now picture this thing during a storm. Your house is dark, but you've got a light. Your phone battery is low, but now it's charging. You can still work, check weather updates, message family, and stay connected. This alone makes a huge difference during emergencies. Another feature that I really like is the built-in car jump starter capability. During extreme cold, car batteries die all the time. With this, you're not stuck waiting for roadside help during a storm. You can literally jump your car yourself and get moving when it's safe. That's huge for winter survival. I also just wanted to add this because I found it really important. You can actually add extra batteries to this, so you can extend the power. Now let's talk about longer outages. During hurricanes, snowstorms, or major power grid failures, electricity can be out for a full day or more. This power station can help with your fridge running to save food, medical equipment powered, Wi-Fi routers going, fans or small heaters operating, lights on at night. It turns a stressful situation into something manageable. And when the power eventually comes back on, recharging is easy. You can just connect it into a wall outlet, use a car charger, or even connect compatible solar panels for off-grid charging. So whether you're at home, on the road, or camping, you always have a way to refill your power supply. Now let's just step outside of winter for a second. This isn't just for blizzards. During hurricane season, rolling blackouts, wild weather, or emergency evacuations, having portable power is incredibly valuable. If you're sheltering at home, it keeps your essentials running. If you're evacuating, it travels with you. If you're stuck without electricity, it becomes your backup grid. What I like most is how simple it is. No complicated setup, no technical knowledge required. You just plug things in and go. The display shows you the battery level, power usage, and remaining runtime, so you always know exactly how much energy you have left. It makes emergency power feel stress-free. Let's run through a quick real-world emergency scenario. Blizzard hits, power goes out. You grab the VTOMAN Jump 1500X. You power a lamp in the living room, phone start charging, fridge is plugged in, laptop is running for weather updates. Later that night, you turn on a small heater or a fan. You're warm, you're connected, you're safe, and most importantly, you're not in the dark. For anyone living in areas with storms, hurricanes, snow, or unreliable power, this is one of those tools you hope you never need. But when you do need it, you're incredibly glad that you have it. So whether it's blizzard survival, hurricane outages, emergency preparedness, car battery rescue, home backup power, camping and outdoor trips, the VTOMAN Jump 1500 covers it all. It's powerful, portable, easy to use, and built for real-world emergencies. If you want peace of mind during extreme weather and power outages, this is absolutely worth having in your emergency setup. Stay safe, stay powered, and be prepared, no matter what the weather brings. It also includes a very nice flashlight on the back as well, different settings, an SOS setting. So it's really great for emergencies. It's lightweight, very easy to use, simply plug and play. I love it. The handle feels extra secure, so lugging it around is no problem. And I also really like how you can individually turn things on. So for example, if you want the USB ports on, all you do is click this button and it will turn the USB ports on. If you want them off and you want these AC ports on, you click that on. It's also very quiet and stays cool due to the fans. You can charge it using your car, using an AC outlet, multiple things. It's very easy to use. And it looks cool too. It's very easy to store. And when you need it, it's simply there when you're ready. It also comes with everything you need. It comes with a nice carrying case for all your cords, the user manual. It comes with the charging cable, as well as the charging cable for the car, USB Type-C cables, and a USB cable. Some nice stickers. I use it to charge all my devices, especially when I'm working outdoors all day.